Welcome back to MotorVision, where we dive into the world of muscle, performance, and next-generation power on four wheels. If you live for torque, speed, and that unmistakable growl of American engineering, you're in the right place. Make sure you're subscribed and hit that bell icon, because today we're covering something wild. Dodge has officially pulled the wraps off something we've only dreamed about. It's loud, it's brutal, and it's here to shake the very foundation of the performance truck world. We're talking about the all-new 2026 Dodge Demon pickup. This isn't just a new model. This is a whole new chapter in the muscle truck story. Dodge is combining raw Hellcat-style power with pickup practicality, and the result is absolutely insane. Let's break it all down. Right off the bat, this is not your average truck. The 2026 Demon pickup is based on a completely re-engineered platform that's built to handle massive horsepower. Without compromising drivability, it takes the core DNA of the original Challenger SRT Demon and throws it into a pickup format that still hauls. But now it hauls everything, including serious speed, under the hood. The standard version comes with a 6.2-liter supercharged Hemi V8 that cranks out a monstrous 807 horsepower. That's more power than most supercars, and it's sitting under the hood of a full-size truck. Dodge is also hinting at a red-eye edition that could push over 850 horsepower, and maybe even more if they go full send like they did with the original Demon drag strip package. Torque numbers sit around 717 pound-feet, giving it the kind of launch capability you'd expect from a performance coupe, not a crew cab pickup. Speaking of launch, Dodge claims a 0 to 60 time of just 3.4 seconds. For context, that makes it one of the fastest production trucks in the world, if not the fastest. With launch control, wide drag radials, and custom-tuned suspension, this thing is track-ready right off the lot. Dodge has clearly designed this to dominate not just the street, but the strip too. That means selectable drive modes, an adaptive suspension system, and even real-time telemetry built into the dash so you can monitor your runs, G-forces, and shift points while you drive. It's insane. The design screams aggression from every angle. You've got wide fender flares, a vented hood scoop large enough to inhale small birds, and a low-slung front bumper with integrated splitters and Demon badging. Throughout, it rides on 22-inch forged wheels with fat performance tires, tucked under that wide-body stance that gives it a planted, menacing look. Around the back, a functional diffuser, LED taillights, and a reinforced bed give it utility without losing that drag-ready aesthetic. Even the exhaust note is tuned to sound like a rolling thunderstorm, deep, violent, and pure muscle. Inside, Dodge has taken the truck interior to another level. You're looking at a performance cockpit built around the driver. The seats are a mix of Alcantara and leather, with red stitching and Demon logos embroidered into the headrests. They're bolstered like race seats, but still comfortable enough to daily. The steering wheel is flat-bottomed with paddle shifters, metal accents, and integrated performance controls. Behind it sits a fully digital instrument cluster that lights up with Demon. Animations on startup and can be customized for street, sport, or track driving. The center of the dash features a 15-inch touchscreen running Uconnect 6, the latest version of Dodge's infotainment system. You've got performance pages, telemetry tracking, lap timers, launch control setup, plus full smartphone integration with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. The materials inside strike a nice balance between premium and aggressive. There's carbon fiber across the dash and door panels, optional suede headliners, ambient LED lighting in red, and brushed metal finishes around the shifter and console. Even the pedals are race-inspired aluminum with rubber grips. In the back, you've still got rear seats and usable space, with fold-flat options and extra cargo compartments beneath the floor. And in case you were wondering, yes, it still tows. The Demon pickup can handle up to 9,000 pounds when properly equipped, so you're not giving up practicality for performance. Now here's where it gets even more interesting. Dodge has confirmed that this isn't a one-off special edition. The Demon pickup is launching as the first in a new series of performance trucks from Dodge, potentially marking the return of a full muscle truck lineup, and they're not stopping with gas. A fully electric version is already in development and is expected to hit production sometime in late 2026 or early 2027. Early whispers suggest the EV variant will feature dual motors, over 1,000 horsepower, and solid-state batteries, offering extended range and faster charging. If that happens, we could be looking at 1 of the first electric trucks to seriously threaten the Tesla. Cybertruck and Ford Lightning in both speed and style. Back to the gas version though, pricing isn't confirmed yet. But insiders are suggesting a starting MSRP in the high 80s, maybe around 89 grand. Fully optioned with carbon packages, upgraded audio, custom paint, and the red-eye engine, you're probably looking at 6 figures. And honestly, considering what this truck delivers, that might not be a bad deal. Pre-orders are expected to open in the spring of 2026, with production kicking off in mid to late summer. Dodge is planning to build them in limited numbers at first, so early buyers will definitely have exclusivity on their side. So who exactly is this truck for? It's for the muscle car lover who wants more room. It's for the adrenaline junkie who wants to tow their toys to the track, but also beat them in a drag race. It's for the guy or girl who misses the raw, unfiltered attitude of American performance and doesn't care about fitting in. The 2026 Demon pickup isn't trying to be sensible. It's here to make a statement. And if you're into that kind of thing, like we are, then this is probably your new dream truck. Dodge took a big swing with this one, and from what we've seen so far, they knocked it out of the park. It's not for everyone, and that's exactly the point. In a world where vehicles are getting quieter, safer, more efficient, and let's face it, less fun, this truck roars into the scene and reminds us why we fell in love with driving in the first place. That's going to do it for today's deep dive on the 2026 Dodge Demon pickup. What do you think? Would you daily this thing? Is it over the top, or is it exactly what Dodge needed to do? Drop your thoughts in the comments because we want to hear from you. Don't forget to like the video if you enjoyed it, and of course, subscribe to MotorVision for more breakdowns, reviews, and future first looks at the wildest vehicles coming your way. Thanks for hanging out with us today. Stay loud, stay fast, and we'll catch you in the next one.